Guys, I think I have a Wolverine fetish. Today I can finally throw away my custom Wolverine figure because I finally got my hands on the glorious TVA version of Hugh Jackman. Getting this guy out of his packaging, and I feel like I'm being edged right now. Like, why does bro have his jacket on? Let's unzip this thing and see what's underneath. Oh my... Clean up on aisle my pants right now. Look at how Hugh Jacked man bro is. All jokes aside, Hot Toys did an amazing job at designing this guy's physique, and all the cuts and bruises are the cherry on top. Enough looking at the figure, let's take a look at the accessories. First off, you obviously get this TVA jacket that I'll never ever use. Next, you get one of Deadpool's katanas. Like Hot Toys, what the actual fuck was the point of including this as an accessory? Moving on, you get tons of little TVA posters that I kind of just threw all over my display, as well as a sliced in half filing cabinet. And lastly, you get this half mask that Wolverine can't even wear. But that's okay, because I can use the mask for my other Wolverine figure. But I want to hear what you guys think. Is this shirtless version of Wolverine better than my custom Wolverine?